Alright, this video talks about the cell signaling project. Breast cancer can occur in women and sometimes in men, and the symptoms of the cancer include a lump in the breast, bloody discharge from the nipple, and it changes in the shape or texture of the nipple or breast. And the treatment depends on the stage of the cancer, and it may consist of chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. Estrogen is the protein hormone getting attacked by the cancer cells, and the GPCR, or the G coupled protein receptor, is involved in the estrogen signaling pathway. This receptor has only one cytoplasmic binding site, and the ligand of the hormone, or the ligand of the receptor of the hormone, is called agonists. When the signal transduction fails, the GPCRs get activated by a wide variety of the external stimuli, which is the cancer cells. And with that being said, the GDP, which is the guanosine diphosphate, changes to guanosine triphosphate, GTP, causing the dissociation of the bond between GTP and the subunits of the receptor and triggering diverse signaling cascades. Also, the FELD system employs at least three different classes of tyrosine kinases. And the scaffold protein caveolin 1 interactions with the estrogen receptor get blocked when the pathway is disrupted. And the abnormal signaling pathway causes the second messenger, PI3K, to have an unusual distribution and production of NO molecules through the pathway. This abnormality causes inhibitory consequences for the downstream tyrosine kinase pathway. And this right here shows the normal, this model right here is the normal signaling pathway, where we have the GDP associated with the alpha beta gamma subunits of the receptor, GPCR. And we have the normal production of NO molecules from the second messenger, and the nucleus is functioning very well. While the abnormal signaling pathway, we have the GTP instead of the GDP, dissociated from the subunits, and it is disrupting the nucleus as well as the functioning and the production of NO from the second messenger. Also the GTP, it is causing a difficulty between the estrogen receptor and the scaffold protein interactions. So, the cell response to that abnormal pathway is nuclear, which regulates the gene expression, specifically GC. And one method to stop or terminate this specific signal is to degrade the ligand or remove it so that it can no longer assist its receptor. And that's where surgery come into play, as I mentioned earlier. And those were the references I used, and thank you for watching.